Have you ever wondered how to find the area of a triangle when you know all three sides? I've spent time breaking down Heron's formula to make it as simple and understandable as possible for you. Welcome to Understand the Math. We've created free guided notes that you can use as you watch this video and placed a link to them in the video description below. Let's walk through an example where we're given the lengths of all three sides of a triangle and we want to find the area of the triangle. Our triangle is an example of a side-side-side triangle, and our side lengths are equal to 6, 16, and 18. Heron's formula gives us a way to calculate the area when we know all three sides of the triangle. To use Heron's formula, we first need to compute the semi-perimeter, which is equal to 1/2 of the perimeter of the triangle. The area is then equal to the square root of our semi-perimeter S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where A, B, and C are the lengths of the triangle. Let's now apply this formula to our example. Our first step is to calculate the semi-perimeter. S is equal to 1/2 A plus B plus C. And in our example, we can let A be equal to 6, B be equal to 16, and C be equal to 18. It doesn't matter what values you assign to A, B, and C. I usually assign the smallest value to be A, but it doesn't matter. S is then equal to 1/2 6 plus 16 plus 18. This is equal to 1/2 22 plus 18, which is equal to 1/2 of 40, and that's equal to 20. We'll highlight this value because we'll need it in our second step. Our second step is to calculate the area. Our area is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. A is then equal to the square root of S, which is 20, times S minus A, which is 20 minus 6, and then we have 20 minus 16, and then lastly we have 20 minus 18. This gives us A is equal to the square root of 20 times 14 times 4 times 2. If we plug this into our calculator, this is the square root of 2,240, and that square root is equal to 47.33. So the area of our triangle is equal to 47.33. I hope that you now feel more comfortable using Heron's formula to calculate the area of any triangle when all three sides are known. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.